Hello from Slovenia again. I want to play with this hairdryer today. It's a gift from Rozzi. Again, she brought me this one. I love it. For now, we did some things, but not a lot. So it's USB charged and it breathes cold air, and it has, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, excited. And I have some paints left from our lessons. We did reverse flower dips, of course, and we did it with my pouring medium, and then we did one with Elmer's glue all. So those are just colors that are left, some mostly shades of green and some yellow, and I will use white too for the negative space, and I will do kind of a chaos blowout because I like that. Don't have any glue left, so I can't do nothing. I have to work with colors that I have. So I will basically just add this one like a base or something for this part. I know that this one is greenish blue by Pebble. And I know that this is phthalo green. Of course, we mixed some pearl white too, so this is nickel, titanium nickel, I don't know, yellow or something like that. I will just use those colors up. And this is some of the pearl yellows, I don't know the shade. Okie doke. So let's blow this out. here really bothers me. I really don't like the top part, so you know what, just want to tilt this and see what will happen. Of course it will not be a blowout anymore, but yeah. I will basically walk a little bit to that side and then bring it back towards the middle and see. I will leave this. I don't know why this is happening here. Yeah, I like it that way. So, something totally different, but lately I kind of like the simplicity, or how can I say? So I will leave this one to try. So here she is dry. I did got one crack, you know, a glue. But otherwise I really like this painting. I don't know what is going on with me lately, but kind of like this blending and 3D kind of look. I was thinking to sorry, to adding a tree here. I don't know. I didn't decide it yet, because I kind of like it like it is. Just something for the green lovers. And this chameleon paint is really beautiful. I didn't know this is the paint that Rozzi brought to me. Got deal chameleon green. It's really beautifully kind of goldish green. Of course it's hard to catch on camera this, but yeah. So I kind of want to do more of those Dutch pours and till them out, because I love the design. I would love to have a little less here, but still it was not planned. It was just, you know, something that I overblowed and I tried to save it, and I think that turned out quite beautiful. So tell me in the comments what you think about it, and of course thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!